We have a lot of experiences that are projected images on walls that are not straight shapes. We project on leaves, we project on petals, we project on tree trunks that are in the design a part of a forest. Nothing is straight, everything is curved, interacts with the neighboring projection surfaces. So using LED walls or using conventional displays would have never gotten us to an interactive and so lightweight integration situation that we have here.
Our deepest congratulations to CAG and their illustrious team for conceptualizing and bringing to life this magical experience at the Changi Experience Studio. Panasonic is very proud to play the supporting role amidst the stellar cast that created this immersive and interactive experience here. We hope that the spark of technology that we bring will enable generations of Singaporeans and tourists from around the world to experience the same spectacular story that is being told for today, for years to come.
Hello, good morning. Can you hear me? Hi, good morning everyone. I am Katrina Paglingayan, a product specialist of Panasonic for projectors and professional display. First of all, I would like to thank you all for participating on our product launching this morning. Envision the future of work in today's world with Panasonic. As we all know, this current situation we have globally greatly affect the lives and businesses worldwide. Today, we will be discussing products and solutions that can help you embrace the new working environment with the help of our partner, Panasonic. So without further ado, I would like to introduce Mr. Genaro Castro Jr., Country Head, System Solutions Group of Panasonic Philippines. Good morning, Sir Pari.
Good morning, everyone.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Okay. Okay. So first, I'd like to introduce, of course, our company, Panasonic Philippines. So I'd just like to share a few slides. Okay, can you see it?
Yes, okay.
Okay. So again, good morning, everyone. So thank you for your time na binigay ninyo for us. Although it's already 10 a.m., but working from home, medyo minsan parang ang aga, di ba? Pero ganun pa man, salamat sa inyong time na binigay for us to introduce our new products and solutions for our projector and flat panel display. So first, I'd like to introduce again our company. So we are actually Panasonic Philippines, and our group is called System Solution Group. Uh, we are the one handling the products that are not appliance. So mostly are system products. So all in all, we are under one company, which is Panasonic Corporation, and it is of course based in Japan, in Kadoma. So for the last few years, we've been doing good as a company, as a whole. Sales have increased and also profitability. Although for this year, and I think even for everybody, the forecast is lower, of course, because of the pandemic and even profitability. But even with that, we're still forecasting a positive profit for the company. Okay, a brief history of our company. So we were founded 1918. So it was our centennial anniversary last 2018. So the founder is Mr. Konosuke Matsushita. So the company started with him and his wife and his brother-in-law. And actually, this brother-in-law became the founder of Sanyo Electronics, or Sanyo Electric, sorry. So at the same time, before we have just one brand. The brand is National. And we started using the brand Panasonic in 1955 when we started basically marketing outside Japan. and mainly US. And then at 2008, we changed our company from Matsushita Electric under the name of the founder to Panasonic Corporation. So for now, we are just carrying one brand, which is Panasonic. So dun sa mga kaidaran ko na mga tito, tita, you still know of the brand National. So most of our appliance before is a national brand, but now we only carry one brand, which is Panasonic. So for now, our slogan is actually a better life in a better world, which means we are providing products and solution for individuals and families, and at the same time, to businesses or to the community. So we are divided into several sub-companies. We have, of course, consumer, which is handling mainly our appliances. Of course, you know of our products, aircon, ref, TVs. So these are what is usually known as the Panasonic brand. But at the same time, we have many other products that we are also marketing. So we even have solution for housing. We call it under Life Solutions Company. So we even sell an actual house in Japan. So you can buy a house and lot, and the brand is Panasonic. So we provide all the fixtures and everything inside the house. And then we, under business or B2B, we have the connected solution. This is where we are grouped in, we connected solutions company. So there are many products I'll be showing you later on. Then we have the automotive. So for automotive, we are providing automotive electronic parts, and at the same time, our batteries for electric vehicles. So if you know Tesla, so Tesla is using Panasonic electric batteries. So we partner with Tesla and with Elon Musk in the very big factory of electric vehicle batteries in the US. Then we have industrial solutions company. We're providing components, ICs for uh, the industrial market. And at the same time, we have two global companies, which is China and US. So under our group, with CNS business area, we are focusing on many industries. So manufacturing, logistics, retail, entertainment, public service, and avionics. Really, I think for this particular launching that we are doing now, it's mainly focused on entertainment and also in public service. Sorry, may tawag. Okay. So we're providing solutions for entertainment, like for projector, projection mapping, and things like this. And also for public service, we're providing displays for the airports, trains, and the others. And then this one, we call this activity Gemba Process Innovation. So Gemba is actually a Japanese word which means to see and to know what are the needs of our customers. So we're just not providing just a product itself, but we are innovating our products and also making solutions to provide the needs of our customers. At the same time, we are also reporting to our regional office in Singapore. It's called PSA, Panasonic System Solutions Asia Pacific. So there are many countries under that group, and we belong to that group. So we are providing a lot of solution in the Southeast Asia region. So we are focusing mainly on public services, entertainment, supply chain management. And for the products that we are handling, these are the products. So we have the, again, large format display, projectors, CCTVs or the security products, network switches, IPPBX, video conferencing system, high-speed scanners, and self-order kiosks. Okay, so for these other products, of course, we will not be discussing them. But if you have inquiries or questions about it, don't hesitate to inform us of your inquiry. So we'll be more than happy to accommodate your questions. So again, thank you very much for attending this event and hope you enjoy and learn. And don't hesitate to ask any question about the products we'll be presenting to you this morning. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sir Pari, for giving us Panasonic background and philosophy. So to start off, here's the video presentation of Mr. Gianpaolo Velasquez, Systems Technical Engineer of Panasonic. If you have any questions or clarifications, please feel free to send message to our chat box and Paolo will be answering at the end of the video presentation. Thank you.
You love to create. Panasonic gives you the freedom to do it. We make some of the world's smallest, lightest, brightest projectors, and some of the toughest. Projectors that work permanently, and thanks to Panasonic Cares, predict issues even before they occur. Our bulb projectors have a dual light source built in, so bulb failure can't compromise your success. And today, Panasonic build laser projectors so advanced, so reliable, that they need no maintenance whatsoever. Through relentless innovation and tireless customer service, Panasonic gives you the freedom to create.
Hello, my name is Gianpaolo Velasquez, Systems Engineer for Panasonic Projectors and Professional Displays. Today's agenda, we will launch new products and solutions that Panasonic can offer. Here is the current projector lineup for fiscal year 2020. As you can see, there are several projectors that we can offer depending on the needs of our customer. Our portable projectors ranges from 3,100 lumens up to 6,000 lumens. Our upgraded model of LB426 and TW380 series also boasts higher contrast ratio. Most of our installation projectors have already shifted to a laser light source. We have an option of 4,500 lumens up to 16,000 lumens. New models of the installation type projectors can also accept 4K signal. Panasonic's large venue projectors boasts of our new 50,000 and 30,000 lumens projector model, where we upgraded the light source to increase color accuracy. First, we would like to introduce the successor model of our previous portable projector, LB425 series. This fiscal year, we are launching the LB426 series. This series has a brightness of 3,100 lumens up to 4,100 lumens, with resolutions of either XGA or WXGA. With up to 20,000 hours of lamp life in eco mode, LB426 provides a lower total cost of ownership. Here are some key improvements of LB426. First, the contrast ratio is increased from 16,000:1 to 20,000:1. Second, the HDMI inputs are increased from 1 HDMI input to 2 HDMI inputs. This series is targeted towards classrooms and meeting rooms. For the next model, we are going to talk about our improved short throw projectors, the TW380 series. This series offers brightness ranging from 3,200 lumens up to 3,800 lumens, with resolutions of either XGA or WXGA. Similar with the LB426 series, the lamp life of TW380 series can also go up to 20,000 hours in eco mode. Key improvements to TW380 series. First, contrast ratio is increased from 16,000:1 to 20,000:1. Second, HDMI inputs are increased to 2 HDMI inputs. Just like the LB426 series, this model is targeted towards classrooms or meeting rooms. However, since it is a short throw projector, it avoids the blockage of projection when there is a presenter in the front. This year, Panasonic will introduce our first pure RGB LED projector, the LRZ35 series. Pure LED projectors have advantages such as 1. More color accuracy due to having dedicated light source for the colors red, green, and blue. 2. Less rainbow effect or color breakage due to the elimination of color wheels. 3. Just like laser projectors, LED projectors can last to 20,000 hours before it reaches 50% of its initial brightness. The LRZ series has two models, both having 3,500 lumens with resolutions of either WUXGA or WXGA. With the CEC-compatible HDMI port, we can control both the projector and the media player using only one remote control. Employing sealed optics, we are able to achieve filter-free design that reduces the maintenance costs, removing the need of filters. Same as the LB series and the short throw series, we are also targeting classrooms and meeting rooms for this model. But LRZ series can last longer than lamp-based projectors. Now we move on to our installation projector series. First of the series is the FRZ60 series. This series uses laser light source and a one-chip DLP technology. The brightness ranges from 5,000 to 6,000 lumens with WUXGA resolution. Among the three models within the series, two of the models have a built-in standard lens, while the other one has a built-in short throw lens. FRZ60 series can accept 4K signal and automatically downscales the output to WUXGA without having to use a third-party downscaling device. This series has a built-in lens that has manual zoom, focus, and lens shift. This model also uses CEC-compatible HDMI ports, wherein you can control both projector and the media player using one remote. With the laser DLP system, the optics are sealed again, which allows us to have 20,000 hours maintenance-free operation. Next is the RZ990 series. This series is an upgrade from our previous RZ970 series. The key improvements to this series are 1. Accepting 4K signal input and automatically downscaling the resolution to WXGA. 2. CEC-compatible HDMI port allows both projector and media player to be controlled by one remote control. This series uses laser light source and a one-chip DLP display technology. It offers brightness ranging from 6,000 to 9,400 lumens with a resolution of WUXGA. The lens has a powered zoom, focus, and lens shift, meaning any lens operation is controlled via remote. This series also has several optional lenses that can be used depending on the requirement of the customer. In this series, we can offer this to house of worships, lecture halls, and even projection mapping projects. For the next series, RCQ10 is our laser one-chip DLP projector that uses our new technology, Smooth Pixel Drive. Smooth Pixel Drive allows the projector to exceed WUXGA resolution by the use of pixel shifting technology, achieving a near 4K experience. Also, with the rich color harmonizer, the red colors of the RCQ10 are boosted, which creates a better image quality. RCQ10 series has two models. Both have WUXGA resolution, with one having an 8,000 lumen brightness and the other a 10,000 lumen brightness. Due to a higher resolution and a better image quality, we can offer this to projection mapping customers, such as museum, theme parks, or even to the rental companies. With the success of our previous laser LCD models, we are now launching a new laser LCD model, MZ16K series. This series has a brightness ranging from 10,000 lumens up to 16,000 lumens with a WUXGA resolution. Unlike the previous laser LCD models, MZ16K series can support our Geometry Manager Pro, which allows us to edge blend the projectors easier. This series also accepts 4K resolution without the need of a third-party downscaling device. The eco filter installed on the projector lasts up to 20,000 hours, essentially making the projector run 20,000 hours maintenance-free, thus reducing the total cost of ownership. We can target larger auditoriums, house of worship, and rental companies with this model. Heading over to our large venue projectors, let us first introduce our PT RQ35K. RQ35K has two models, both having 30,000 lumens of brightness. One model has a WUXGA resolution, and one model has a 4K resolution. This projector series aims to revolutionize event operation by having a really massive brightness for a small space. Comparing to our previous 30,000 lumen projector, RQ32K, the size of our RQ35K is 40% less than the size of RQ32K. For a smaller size but higher brightness, we can reduce the number of projectors needed, reduce the manpower needed to install, and save space for tight installations. With the inclusion of a red laser light source, we have also increased the color accuracy of RQ35K series. We have also refined the cooling system to accommodate the additional laser light source. For this series, we can offer this to rental companies or customers with requirements for large projection mapping projects, such as building projections. Last but not least, we are going to introduce our flagship model, PT RQ50K. This is the world's smallest and lightest 50,000 lumen 3-chip DLP laser projector with a native 4K resolution. Employing the additional red laser light source like the RQ35K, the RQ50K also has increased color accuracy. It also has approximately the same footprint as the previous 30,000 lumen projector PT RQ32K. With almost double the brightness, but for the same size, this can remove the need for additional projectors or lessen the number of projectors needed. With sealed optics, we can run the projector for 20,000 hours maintenance-free. That being said, this model aims to position itself for big events or rental company usage.
Thank you very much, Paulo. Do you have any questions regarding Paulo's presentation? Please feel free to type in our chat box, please. If none, let's proceed to our second video presentation by Mr. Michihiro Okuda, Systems Engineer, Panasonic Corporation. He will be discussing the Panasonic Professional Display. Again, if you have any questions or clarifications, please feel free to send message to our chat box, and Paulo will be answering at the end of the video presentation. Pao?
Hello, I am Michihiro Okuda. I work as a system engineer for Panasonic Media Entertainment Business Division. Today, I'll talk about Panasonic's flat panel display, focusing on series which have OPS slot and SDM slot. This is Panasonic's lineup of flat panel display. Panasonic flat panel display has 4 categories: standard, entry, touchscreen, and video wall. Standard type support 24/7 operation and has high brightness of more than 400 candela, used for digital signage or meeting room. Entry type support operation of 16 to 18 hours a day, has brightness of around 400 candela, and used for digital signage or meeting room. Touch screen type is interactive display for education or meeting room. Video wall type has narrow bezel and can be used as video wall for digital signage at the station, airport, or control room. I'll talk about more detail on SQ1 series, which have SDM slot. These are OPS series. We have SQP1, SFP1H, EFP1 for standard, EQP1 for entry, VFP10, VFP20, VFP30 for video wall. I'll talk about more detail on this OPS series. What is SDM and OPS? Intel standardized the SDM and OPS. SDM stands for Smart Display Module. OPS stands for Open Pluggable Specification. These modules can be plugged in directly into the displays and can be used as a media player. Many partners are taking advantage of the features and benefits of Intel SDM and OPS in their digital signage solutions, public kiosks, professional monitors, point of sale, and so on. Form factor is 175 by 100 by 20 mm without enclosure. Resolution is up to 8K display. Operating temperature is up to 55 degrees. Form factor launch is 2018. Regarding OPS, form factor is 180 by 119 by 30 mm and fully enclosed. Resolution is up to 2K display. Operating temperature is up to 45 degrees. Form factor launch is 2010. SQ1 series having SDM is slim and stylish design, indoor standard large 4K display, which is suitable for digital signage and conference room. We have 6 models with different panel size: 98, 86, 65, 55, 49, 43 inches. There are 3 features. 1. High visibility. 4K IPS panel. High brightness of 500 candela. And supports HDR that expresses light and dark images realistically. 2. High flexibility. Slim design with 10 cm depth combined with optional wall bracket, and horizontal and vertical installation possible. 3. High expandability. HDMI DisplayPort, DVD, PC, LAN, and 4K 60p digital link compatible. Intel SDM specification compatible. 4K USB media player, and so on. What is 4K resolution? There are two types of 4K format. DCI 4K is used for theater or camera industry. 4K UHD is used for TV or display industry. DCI 4K or 4K UHD is both horizontally and vertically twice of 2K or Full HD resolution, so 4 times more pixels. The difference looks like the picture. For SQ1 series, both DCI 4K and 4K UHD can be input. Here I'll introduce a unique function of SQ1 series and EQ1 series. It is portrait zoom function. Portrait signage is widely used in Japanese car dealer shops. Our customers asked if their single can be utilized sometimes for a special event, such like presentation, eye-catching, where large screen is preferred. Also, simplicity was important factor because the setup is usually done by their own staff. There are challenges, flexibility, cost saving, and easy to use. Panasonic provides new solution for this portrait zoom function. You can easily change the display size by using portrait zoom function without any external processor. From here, I'll talk about OPS series. OPS allows for more cost-effective system design, less cabling, management of digital signage. SQP1 series and EQP1 series are large-screen 4K standard displays with OPS slot. We have 98 inches for SQP1 and 86 and 75 inches for EQP1. These 4K indoor displays add powerful features for pro users in lightweight, slim and stylish design. SQP1 series employ 4K picture quality to render intricately detailed large screen images, and durable panel materials and quality component ensures dependable 24/7 operation. We also have EQP1 series, which is 4K but 18 hours per day operation, and only landscape. SFP1H series and EFP1 series are hybrid Full HD standard display with OPS slot. SFP1H series are suitable for indoor signage because of high brightness of 700 candela, and it provides highly visible signage, even in open spaces with natural lighting, and supports USB media player, portrait installation, and 24/7 operation. As well as SFP1H series, we have EFP1 series, which is lower spec, such as brightness operation hours, 43 and 55 inches are 5050 candela, 18 hours per day operation available. As for 49 inches, further lower brightness of 450 candela but 24/7 operation. The last one is VFP series, ultra narrow bezel video wall with OPS slot. The VFP series delivers seamless multi-screen displays for dynamic large screen use. Ultra-narrow bezel on the VFP series reduce bezel-to-bezel distance to near invisible. Durable panel materials and quality components ensures dependable 24/7 operation. Regarding bezel-to-bezel distance, VFP10 is 3.5 mm, VFP20 is 1.8 mm, and VFP30 is only 0.88 mm. First, I'll explain basic configuration for the digital signage solution. In response to various customers' requests, we established a high quality and high efficiency distribution system. Any display, such as flat panel display, projectors, and LED wall are connected to a server via LAN or WAN. You can do 1. Contents management, 2. Schedule edit, 3. Distribution management from your own computer. We provide two types of the system. First one is on-premise. The software can be installed to customer server. Digital signage can be managed based on customer's security policy. Second one is cloud. By using Panasonic Cloud, customer can establish signage system quickly. Next, I'll explain operator's basic workflow for the software. 1. Content registration. Register contents such as movie or still image to the server. 2. Playlist edit. Choose a layout and order by using the registered contents. 3. Calendar setup and distribution. Edit the schedule and calendar based on playlist and distribute them. 4. Running and management. Monitor the playback condition and display condition remotely. Here is media players or controllers lineup. SI102 NK is standard 2K model. SI324K is multiple output model. For multiple 2K output or single 4K output. DS081K is standard 4K model with single output. DS280K is OPS model. Based on customer's system and display type, customer can choose best media player. This is hardware requirement for server when connecting to about 10 media players. OS is Windows 10, Professional 64-bit. CPU is Core i5 or better. Memory is 8 GB or more. Available disk space is 256 GB. This is hardware requirement for server when connecting to about 100 media players. OS is Windows Server 2016. CPU is Xeon E3 1220 V6 or better. Memory is 8 GB or more. Available disk space is 256 GB or more. And this is hardware requirement for operation computer. OS is Windows 7 or 8.1 or 10 Professional 64-bit. CPU is Core i3 or better. Memory is 4 GB or more. Available disk space is 100 GB or more. From here, I'll explain Panasonic's unique feature of digital signage solution. Part 1. Monitor and recover devices remotely. In case display shows black image, even if a staff notices that something is wrong with the display, or even none of staff may notice the problem, it would take a very long time to coordinate the issue and get it back up quickly. Thanks to Panasonic digital signage solution, remotely display condition can be monitored, and control command that may remedy the issue can be sent to the displays. Part 2. Monitor contents playback condition. In the event that multiple displays with different contents are within the system, there are chances that the contents might get distributed to a wrong display. Only when the staff sees there will be an action to fix it. But thanks to Panasonic digital signage solution, remotely current playback contents on each display can be monitored and can be distributed again. Part 3. Set contents expiration date. For signage, there are announcements, special promotion that only apply in special events. Examples are holidays, 3-day sale, discount for a day, and so on. Without scheduling, we might forget that it is already past the promotion date, and still display the said promotions, which can cause confusion amongst customers. But thanks to Panasonic digital signage solution, during content registration, the expiration date can be set. Then the contents can't be used after the expiration date. Email notification for expiration is also available. Last one is system extensibility of our digital signage solution. Example 1. Emergency button is directly connected to media players in the digital signage network. By pressing the button, content is changed to emergency sign immediately. By pressing the button again, content is changed to the original. Example 2. Emergency button is in an external network and connected to digital signage network. This configuration works as well. For instance, there is already an existing fire alarm system, temperature sensor, touch sensor, and so on. These can be connected to our digital signage solution to also have an emergency announcement. Please consult us if you have any inquiries. Panasonic is also providing trial version of digital signage solution. Customers can try the system for free. Panasonic loans media players and provides server computer with global IP address. Please feel free to contact us if you are interested in the trial version. We recommend to try the digital signage solution in advance so that you can ensure whole system works fine. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Okuda-san. Do you have any questions for Okuda-san? Please feel free to ask. Or if you're shy, please key in your questions in our chat box. So I guess the presentation is well understood. So I'll be giving you a brief background of our company, WSI or Wordtext Systems. So for this one, we are a value-added distributor. We are carrying IT solutions from software to hardware as well as professional services. Here are some of our products that we carry. So, yan, si Panasonic, we are carrying projectors and professional displays. So, if you have any IT-related concerns or requirements for your companies, please feel free to go to this website, www.wordtext.com.ph. You can see there are product offerings. So you can also follow us in our social media accounts. We have Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. If you have any questions, you can email us, sales@wsifield.com.ph, and every emails or requirements, we will be sending this to specific product managers. And also, I would like to promote our e-commerce site, the WeSellIt. You can go to this site. This is our URL, https www.wesellit.ph. So you can see here our products. You can directly buy from us, of course, through our resellers. So under Panasonic, please go to computer and accessories. Sorry, just have to show my presentation. This is our e-commerce site, WeSellIt. So for Panasonic, you can go to computer and accessories under Panasonic. And so you can see here our product line. So we have Panasonic flat panels and projectors. And for, we have a promo, ongoing promo until December. So every purchase here in our e-commerce site entitles you for a 200 worth of GCs, so Sodexo gift certificates. So yun po, you can see here our product line. So we have Panasonic flat panel. We have this 43 inches LCD display. Then we also have projectors. So projectors for LB305. This is the entry-level projector, and as well as LB385. So there. If you have any requirements, you can go through this site and you can buy from WeSellIt. We have different product offerings. We have Microsoft, we have Jabra, and laptops. And also, please don't forget to answer our feedback forms. Miss Melo, nasa chat box na. Kasi yun yung magiging basis natin for our raffle. We will be drawing 32 inches Panasonic flat panel for this morning. So please feel free to answer our feedback form, please. We have a question from Miss Eileen Paulo. The models for our flat professional displays, 24/7 daw ba? Designed to operate 24/7?
No ma'am, yung VFP which is yung video wall and SFP which is yung standard, sila designed to operate for 24/7. Then yung EFP which is yung entry level, may 3 sizes tayo, 43, 49 and 55. Yung 43 and 55 inches natin, 18 hours per day. Then yung 49 EFP, siya yung 24/7 natin.
Do you have any more questions? Paulo is here to answer questions for projectors, professional display, or digital signage solutions. If none, I would like to invite you everyone to answer our survey form, feedback form. Nasa chat box na siya. So that we can also start the raffle.
Ma'am, clarify ko lang din, yung products na presented earlier in the videos, hindi pa po siya yung full product lineup. Basically, siya yung new products for this fiscal year and last fiscal year namin. So there are other products din po na if may requirement, baka yun yung pumasok. I-consult lang po sa amin or sa kina WSI.
Yes, so if you want to have a one-on-one session for the discussion po with regards to all the product lineup of Panasonic, please feel free to email us. We will be sending a thank you email as well as our contact details so that you can also directly email us if you have any requirements. And of course, we will course you through our reseller, or if you have any authorized resellers po. We have only one participant who answered the survey. We would like again to request everyone to complete the feedback form, please. We have 2 already. We're just waiting for 3 more participants to answer the survey.
Smooth presentation anywhere, anytime. Introducing the new PT LB426 series LCD projector, an efficient, high contrast solution that's perfect for offices or classrooms. These easy to handle portables weigh just 2.9 kilograms and project dynamic, high visibility images with 20,000 to 1 contrast and up to 4,100 lumens of brightness. Dual HDMI inputs connect 2 sources at once, including a streaming device powered by USB DC outlet. Keystone correction streamlines image adjustment, while blackboard and colorboard modes optimize image quality in rooms without a screen. A long life lamp lasts up to 20,000 hours, while filter replacement extends to 10,000 hours for low cost of ownership. Early warning functions bundled with multi-monitoring and control software alert the operator of scheduled maintenance and help prevent problems before they occur. Key to the LB426 series is its portability. The compact body weighs 2.9 kilograms. It's easy to carry from room to room. Just set it on a tabletop, press the power button, and start projecting images with up to 4,100 lumens of brightness. The LB426 series has 25% more contrast than previous models, achieving an impressive 20,000 to 1 contrast for outstanding text, graphic, and video definition. These projectors are intended for use with the lights on. To preserve picture quality and ambient light, just press the daylight view button on the remote control. The image is optimized for clear visibility. The rear panel has 2 HDMI inputs and a 5-volt, 2-amp USB power outlet. These terminals support connection of a network streaming device with a built-in power supply, simplifying installation. You can connect a Blu-ray disc player to the second HDMI input and switch seamlessly with the remote control. These portable
We'll start
projectors
our
work with
raffle
optional
draw.
wireless
Wow, can you
modules.
stop the video, please? Miss Melo. So our grand prize for this morning is a Panasonic flat panel 32 inches TV. So can you see the wheel? We will now start the raffle. Miss Melo. Congratulations, Sir Jet Bolivar. So again, I would like to thank all of you for participating in our webinar session this morning. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us. And again, we will be sending thank you notes and our contact details after this event. Thank you, everyone, and have a nice day. Keep safe.